Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix PayPal not accepting your card or bank. First of all, double check your info. Make sure your card number, expiry date and billing date's address match exactly with your bank records. Even a small mismatch can trigger rejection. Confirm the card is eligible. PayPal only supports major debit and credit cards like Visa, MasterCard, Amex. Some prepaid or virtual cards may not work. Next, update your PayPal app. Go to the App Store, search for PayPal, and then see if there's an update button available. Update to fix, if there is, then update to fix bug affecting card linking. Next, try adding into paypal.com. If the app keeps rejecting it, log into paypal.com on Safari and add your card or bank from there. Privacy tip: add payment methods under your own name. PayPal blocks mismatch account for security. Quick fix: if it still fails, contact your bank. Allow online or international transactions. Try a different card or account, then verify it with small PayPal charge or micro deposit. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick PayPal and money app fixes.